Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to teach the public how to link PayPal and Payoneer. I'll be taking you one-on-one. One advantage of linking PayPal to Payoneer is that once you have your PayPal dollars and you want to withdraw them, you will only be charged 1% to withdraw them to your Payoneer bank, and then from your Payoneer bank you will be able to access them from any ATM, since Payoneer has a MasterCard. So we'll take you one-on-one. This is the Payoneer account. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to come to PayPal, and we need to link a bank, not a MasterCard, mind you, it's a bank. And the bank that we are going to be linking, we'll get it from Payoneer. So the first thing that the second thing that you need to ensure that your Payoneer is verified. Thirdly, ensure that your Payoneer global payment service is working, is enabled. Then once the global payment service is working, come here. We'll be linking. We have two options. When linking Payoneer, the bank that we are going to be using, we can use Community Federal Savings Bank, but this time we'll be using Bank of America. Bank of America is, you can see it's enabled. We'll come here. We'll say link a new bank. Link a new bank. Once we say link a new bank, we'll come here account type, checking, and we pick the routing number. We'll come here to Bank of America. We'll pick the routing. Once we pick the routing, we'll be able to copy paste it here. Then we'll come and pick account number. So once we pick account number, we'll come here and pick account number. So once we pick account number, we'll come in and paste it here. So we'll be asked the account name. Account name it's a business. By continuing, you will agree to send to small transaction less than $1. This means that for PayPal and Payoneer to link, PayPal has to charge Payoneer around less than $1. Then in that transaction, when you go to your Payoneer account, you will find four secret codes. The secret codes, you will be able to, those are the codes that PayPal will request you for them to ensure that you have verified the PayPal Payoneer linkage. So we'll come here and agree deposits. When we agree and link, it means for this case it tells me sorry, we are unable to link that bank because it is disabled. So it means that they are telling me that my Bank of America has been disabled. If in case the Bank of America was working, the linkage between PayPal to Bank of America would have been successful. Thank you for sticking with me to my video recording. Once, if you are registering, use my description. In my description link, you will find a code that you will use to register for a Payoneer account. Once you make a successful registration, you will earn yourself $25. Once you make in that account that you've used for Payoneer, once you make transactions worth $1,000, you will earn yourself $50. Ensure you use my affiliate link. I'll show you approve where Payoneer sent me some a reward. This is the reward from Payoneer. You can see reward from Payoneer. So ensure that this is the reward from Payoneer. Ensure you use my description. In the description link, go and use my link to register for a Payoneer account, and you'll earn yourself 21 euros or $25. In case you need any assistance in linking PayPal and Payoneer, get me through my official email, njogukarongo@gmail.com, or in the description link in my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials, you will find my direct WhatsApp number where you'll be able to contact me, and I'll assist you at a small token of appreciation. Thank you for sticking with me to the video recording. Our tutorial today was linking PayPal and Payoneer. Thank you.